Sunshine, it's our sunshine.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sahithya Bommidi, working as a full-time consultant in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at Sunshine Hospitals, Gachibowli. I have more than 10 to 12 years of experience in this field and I did my graduation from Vijayawada. So I believe in evidence-based practice and I strictly follow that when it comes to my patient care. As you all know, this is a unique specialty where we can bond with our patients on a long-term basis, and I love doing that. What we are providing the services at Sunshine Hospitals, we as a team in Sunshine Hospitals are providing complete women's health care starting from the puberty till and after the menopause also. So coming to the pregnancy, so we are providing preconceptional care, antenatal care, intrapartum care and the postpartum care, and also we are giving the full-fledged information about the postpartum contraception soon after the pregnancy. So coming to the preconceptional counseling and antepartum care, both the wife and husband, the couple can come to us and talk to us and they can ask their doubts and they can clarify their doubts with us completely. We are providing 24/7 health services to the women and we are taking all the emergencies here in Sunshine Hospitals, coming to the emergency room, and we as a consultants will be giving us our full-time dedication to this hospital at any time when you are walking into the Sunshine Hospitals. We are taking here the high-risk pregnancies and we will be dealing with all the medical disorders in pregnancy with a multidisciplinary approach. Coming to the gynecology part, we are giving all the services to all the women having the gynec doubts and gynec problems at our hospitals here, and we are giving them the options, non-surgical management and surgical managements. And we are actually all trained in the minimally invasive procedures like laparoscopy, hysteroscopy and diagnostic laparoscopy, diagnostic hysteroscopy, infertility treatments till the intrauterine insemination level. We are giving here the whole procedure and whole services to all the women. You can take on appointment basis on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays from 10 to 4 p.m. On the other days like Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, I'll be available on appointment basis. We here providing the weekend clinics also to all the women who are unable to visit us on the weekdays. Particularly the working women can avail these services on appointment basis. We are providing the online consultations in view of this COVID situation, and you can talk us on one-on-one basis through video consultations also here at Sunshine Hospitals, Gachibowli. We are privileged to give our services to all the women in and around Sunshine Hospitals, Gachibowli. We are looking forward and we are eager to see you here at Sunshine Hospitals, Gachibowli. Thank you.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.